So I'm live once again. Welcome to India Voyage, guys, and I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. We are coming live for the fourth time in a row because we had to shut it off due to internet connectivity issues. So I hope it goes well this time because I'm using the podcast headphones and it helps us connect better. So thank you so much for all the love once again. And thank you all for subscribing to the magazine. And you all know that I'm here for a purpose because we have released the December issue of India Voyage magazine. And we have yours, ours, all of ours favorite, Meghna, also known as Street Troublemaker, on the cover. So the title of the cover is Ending This Troublesome Year with Street Troublemaker. I am not able to understand if I'm live or not. If I don't know what the hell is wrong with Instagram. Please connect properly Instagram. Please. Let's just do this. बहुत थोड़े से टाइम के बाद. Hi. Welcome to India Voyage
Hi.
once again. I
I'm
tried
not
my
answering the
best.
first question again.
I'm not going to ask you that question. So,
It's a joke. It's a joke.
welcome to India Voyage once again, and thanks for making this cover
Thank
look
you.
so fabulous. You are looking so pretty. I
Thank you
have
so
received a lot of
much.
appreciation for this cover, and you actually suit the theme of India Voyage magazine because you are a travel, fashion, lifestyle influencer. So, we are doing this for the fourth time in a row. So, I'll not ask you the first question. Let's move to the second question. So
Okay.
the second question is, what is that one travel destination and one dining destination that you always want to visit again and talk to people about?
Maldives.
So what do you talk to people about Maldives?
It's just so beautiful. I
Suppose
don't
I am
think
that people.
okay, I don't think I just have to show a picture and they'll be like, "What? I want to go." You don't have to say anything about Maldives. It's just that
And
place.
food also.
Yeah, you get good food there.
So
But
what do
like
you
I love
like
India.
eating?
I like so I like India, like Bombay in that case, because I love the Bombay food. Even when I go to Delhi, people are always talking about Delhi food, but I don't think I like it so much. No offense to anyone, but I like the Bombay food more than the Delhi food.
Okay, so suppose I'm traveling to Mumbai and I'm
Mhm.
asking you that Meghana, I want to go and
Mhm.
try something good and
Mhm.
I'm short of time, so just recommend me one place and one food that I must try in Mumbai.
Okay, it depends on if you're a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian because there's this amazing
Vegetarian.
sushi place. Oh,
Vegetarian. Pure
ah,
vegetarian.
okay.
Although
I'm
I
sorry,
eat
I
veg
don't.
sushi, so yeah.
Yeah, so you can. I don't think you get veg sushi there, but like there's a non-veg hai, so I would tell you because I love this place. Um, Veg. I don't know.
ठीक है,
Uh,
tell it for veg or non-veg people because we have mixed audience.
okay, cool, great. So there's this amazing place in Andheri called Yazoo where they have amazing sushi. So you should definitely try that. And अगर तुम वेजिटेरियन हो तो ठेले तो होते ही है वड़ा पाव समोसा पाव और someone
Pani
said vada
puri.
pav.
Vada
Pani
pav. I
puri.
just love vada pav.
Yeah, I'm
I'm a big
I'm
fan
more
of
of a
vada pav.
samosa pav person.
Samosa pav. Yeah, I have tried it once, but yeah, I am a vada pav fan.
Really?
Yeah. So गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड आई नो
Mm-hmm.
बहुत सारे लोग इस क्वेश्चन को लेके क्यूरियस भी होंगे बिकॉज यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ मेल फैंस
Mm-hmm.
सो the next question is, and you played it dicey here in the magazine, but you have to, you know, be open
Okay.
about it. So, who is that one guy? Who is that one guy you would like to travel the world with? Although you have mentioned name of girls here, but yeah, who is that one
That's
guy
right. No, there is no guy.
that you would want to travel world with?
No, no one as such. I haven't found the one yet. So
We
probably
are we
if
are
I
just
do,
we are just imagining things. You haven't found that, but like an ideal personality, if you I just ask you that you are given a superpower that you have to build one guy for yourself that you would want to
अच्छा
travel world
बिल्डर
with. So
मुझे लगा
how
कोई
would
एक्टर की बात
that
कर रहे
guy
हो.
be?
Hmm.
No,
Loyal,
you just have to
smart,
make
funny.
an imaginary personality by yourself.
I just said loyal, smart, funny.
Funny
Yeah. Loyal,
and
smart. Can you hear me?
yeah, that is too basic. That is too basic. I mean,
That is
people
not.
lie on that they are loyal, smart, and
See,
funny. So
how that is. There's no
something that
lie. You
people
just
can
find
relate to, at
things
least your
out.
guy fans.
No, like he should be. He should dress well. If someone dresses well, you have my
Okay.
attention.
Okay. So you are not crushing on anyone or something like that in Hollywood or Bollywood
Hmm.
because
I
people do
really
that
like Justin Bieber.
because we see them all the time. No, when you're
Guilty.
moving around, seeing ads, seeing movies.
Yeah. I don't know if you can hear me or if you can
I please,
store it
I
a
just skipped
little.
that. You just took a name and I
Should I?
skipped that. What was that?
I said Justin Bieber and I said
Diljit?
I'm guilty. No,
Okay,
Justin
guilty.
Bieber.
Okay, I'm so sorry. I thought it's Diljit. That was
Uh,
different and unique though. But yeah, Justin Bieber. Okay, nice, nice, nice.
mm.
So Meghna, we all were very excited for the shoot, and I would like to thank your PR Himani also for making this
She's a
happen. She
sweetheart.
has worked hard. Yeah, yeah, she has worked so hard. She is always in communication, and she was
Yeah,
always
yeah.
trying to reach out to us that how are things going and stuff like that. But
Mm.
the shoot, it is looking so beautiful. I mean, it was so easy for us to make like a beautiful cover with this shoot. So what was the idea of, how did you plan this shoot and what was the sole idea behind it?
So there is, I don't know if you know Nasik. I'm sure you do. But there's
Nasik.
this place in Nasik
Yeah,
where the photographer
yeah, yeah.
stays, and he has a farmhouse which had a horse. So we thought, oh, that's gonna be exciting, and I randomly dressed up, and I did that, and the photos were amazing. And that's when we were talking about the cover, and I was like, why not? So yeah,
Yeah, and it actually came out so well.
yeah.
So the
I
next
sent
question that I'm going to
options.
pick, did you hear me?
Yeah, the next question that you're gonna pick.
Yeah. So the shoot for our cover came out so well. How does it feel to be on the cover of the only travel magazine of India? So I must mention that there are a lot of travel magazines, but they are not
Mm, travel
India-based travel
oriented.
magazines.
Right.
And
Mm,
I would like to tell you like a brief about India Voice that we just work
mm,
on research content. We
mm,
try to publish everything that is authentic. We do research on history. And India Voyage has also won a National Award of Excellence in 2017 for publishing exclusive content. So, how does it feel to be associated with us?
Congratulations.
Thank you
I
so
wrote
much.
my
So,
answer. I wrote my answer, but I'm really the first
for
word that comes to my head, the first word that comes to my head is grateful. Thank you so much that you thought I was worthy of it. And yeah, it makes me really happy because it's like my first solo cover. And yeah, not a bad year after all. Not such a bad year
thank
after
you
all.
so much. We all are equally grateful, and everyone in our team was excited for this cover and to have you on the cover. So, lastly, the last question. Any message to
Mhm.
all your fans and followers and our readers?
I said a long message in that. Do you want to read it out loud? I won't be able to read,
Yeah,
like, say
yeah.
the exact.
So Meghna says that I always say this. I'm going to say it again. Make mistakes. Galtiyan karo. Learn when you do. Love what you do. Love every day. Most importantly, love
And most
yourself.
importantly, love yourself.
There's nothing better or more than that. That's true. No one will stand up for you. It's you that you have to be there for. Believe, breathe, and be happy.
It's such a cute, basic message.
No, it's not basic. It says a lot, and probably it describes
Yeah.
your personality, and that's why people like you because you are there to make mistakes and love yourself, and just
Yeah.
go and be like the way you are, and
Yeah.
probably that's why a lot of people love you, and we love
Mhm.
you, and we are with you. So, do you want to say anything or any question or anything?
I just want to say
Bef-
thank you so much. I think I will take a few questions from the comments because people are saying you're not
yeah, yeah,
reading the
yeah. Sure, sure,
comments. So I'm going to take a few
sure. We
questions
should do
from
this.
them.
Yeah.
Uh, mm, mm,
Where we
सब
can
अपनी
purchase
प्रमोशन कर
magazine
रहे हैं बीच
of
में.
cover photo with Megha. Yeah, so guys, I am really concerned about this question. So you can just go to the bio of India Voyage Instagram page and tap on the link, and you will be redirected to the cover or to the issue of December issue of India Voyage magazine, and then you can just subscribe to the magazine and read it all.
Yeah, and
So
read
yeah,
the
that
answers
was
that
the
I've written. My answers, but you
yeah.
can
Read
read
the
the answers.
answer.
Subscribing for me.
Yes, yeah.
Don't forget to read my answers.
Read her answers
Oh,
and
Pranav Reddy saying
see more pictures from the shoot.
yes, do that. Also, Pranav Reddy saying, do you even care about the comments? Sorry, Pranav. Hi. The posts are really inspiring. Thank you, Unique
Pranav,
Man
you
zero two
should be
seven.
happy she's saying hi, and we do care about comments, but we were into a conversation, so really sorry, but yeah, we do care about you. So a big hi to you
Mm,
from us.
mm.
So there's one question: how did you become friends with Radhika?
Oh, so Radhika, I have now known for 5 years, I think. Yeah. And I don't know, through a mutual friend. So Rohit is a mutual friend of ours. And because of Rohit, I met Radhika. And since then, we have been together.
नाइस सो
Oh.
एक इसमें कमेंट है नासिक नहीं पता क्यों पतेली मार रहा है ये लड़का नहीं यार मुझे नासिक पता है और मैं नासिक कई बार जा चुका हूँ नासिक से आता हूँ इज जस्ट मेघना सेड दैट इफ यू नो नासिक और नॉट सो मैं पटेली नहीं मार रहा हूँ भाई मुझे नासिक पता है मैं देसी आदमी हूँ
Some people are being really rude here. So don't,
नो नो
guys,
इट्स ओके
just
इट्स ओके इट्स ओके
just
यू
be
कैन
nice. अगर तुम अच्छे से बात
या
करोगे तो
जस्ट बी
क्या
नाइस
करेगा?
कुछ सीख लो यार एंड if you want to be rude, then be rude from your original account. Do not make fake accounts to be
Fake
rude.
accounts. Babies of
Yeah.
STM is saying I'm in love with this woman. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
That's one of my fan pages. How sweet. Thank you so much that you made that
Another one
page and you
says,
take care of it.
you are great, keep it up. So yeah,
Thank you
Meghna,
so
you are
much.
great, keep it up. And Gaurav Khattar says, find someone who looks at you like Meghna is looking at the camera right now. Oh my God.
It looks like I'm taking a selfie.
It looks like, yeah. So you should find some guy like that. Any other question that
Pranav
you want
Reddy
to
का
pick?
अभी देखा मैंने. Pranav Reddy says shoot was beautiful. Thank you so much. You're amazing. Thank you. Compliments. That means so much to me. Hi, hi, Seerat. Hi. Someone said Meghna auntie.
Thank you, uncle,
कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी.
for joining in. It happens all around.
Stays also here. Congratulations. Thank you so
Trolling
much.
has actually become a like full-time job for people.
कोई तो कुछ बोल नहीं रहा है.
Yeah. Okay,
So
so anything that you want to close this conversation with, Meghna? Hello. I think there's some network issue once again. So yeah, guys, we could not close it properly, but yeah, this is it from the live session. And if you wanna learn or read more about Meghna, then do subscribe to the magazine. Also, बहुत सारे ट्रैवल रिलेटेड आर्टिकल्स हैं क्योंकि सबको क्यूरियोसिटी है 2020 में ट्रैवल कैसा होने वाला है, कहाँ घूमने जा सकते हैं, तो वो सब मैगजीन में हो और अच्छी अच्छी चीजें हैं जो आप मैगजीन में पढ़ सकते हो. So do subscribe to the magazine and keep loving us, keep loving Meghna, and thank you all for joining. And thank you so much once again, Meghna, for being a part of India Voice December issue. And I'll sign off with this. Hope you all have a great year, and we'll come up with another issue in January, जो कि न्यू ईयर इशू होगा और उसमें बहुत सारी नई चीजें होंगी, and there will be a new cover. So stay tuned and thank you so much. Love you all.